We are now live on YouTube from Seaway GM, inviting you to join us all month during Seaway GM's annual February Yellow Tag used car sale, SD&G's largest virtual used car sale ever. And yes, it's right here in Cornwall. Our management team has spent the last few days rolling back the prices on every single pre-owned vehicle we have on the lot, so you can enjoy the best possible price this month on over 70 quality vehicles from brands like Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Cadillac, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Ford, Hyundai, and Toyota, just to name a few. Why freeze outside trying to find your next pre-owned vehicle when you can shop by video from your favorite device and get a chance to win $35,000 cash? Yes, everybody who will register online for Seaway GM's Yellow Tag used car sale this month will get a chance to win $35,000 cash. Just follow the link underneath this video to register in seconds and get instant access to all the deals we have during our event. Why pay more? We have deals starting at $5,984, right up to the premium collection Cadillac Escalades and Yukon, and everything in between. Need financing? No problem. Our automotive finance experts will help you get the lowest rate possible, so we can perfectly fit the payment into your budget. And don't worry if your credit isn't perfect, because our special finance specialists have the tools and connections to help you get approved for the vehicle you deserve. Each one of our quality used vehicles comes with a thorough 150-plus point inspection, a car-proof vehicle report outlining the vehicle's entire history, as well as a lifetime warranty on brake pads. Already driving a vehicle? Great! Bring it with you and let us make you a mind-blowing offer. We are always looking for great quality used vehicles of all makes and models, and we have set aside a $500,000 fund for the event to purchase trades from vehicle owners in the area. You can even provide us with the information on your current vehicle right from your computer or mobile device. That will automatically start the appraisal process, so you can get your share of the $500,000 and register for the chance to win the $35,000 cash. Why wait? Click the link now if you are looking to buy a quality pre-owned car, truck, or SUV and get a great deal from a reputable dealer that will have your back every single day throughout the ownership experience. Seaway GM is your place. Click the link now to register for the event and for your chance to win $35,000 cash. And if you see something you like, you better act quickly, because during our February Yellow Tag used car sale, our used inventory will sell fast. Click the link now to register for the event, and we'll see you soon at the dealership.